Hello guys, welcome back. And today I start Kotlin course where we will learn the basics of Kotlin. This course will be useful for beginners and people who want to repeat Kotlin. Let's get started. For the beginning, we should understand what are variables and why should we use them. Let's imagine that a variable is a box where we can put something. For example, we can have a box for potatoes, for carrots, for another type of food. And variables work in the same way. We have variable for numbers, for strings, for chars, for boolean type like true or false. To create a variable in Kotlin, we should write the next line of code. Let's break it down. We have val, type of our variable, we have name our variable is number, we have type of data int, integer, and we set value for a variable. That means we set 22 to number. Let's create another variable, and now we will put them together. For this we will call method print. This method outputs data in console, and now we can call our variables by them names, like number contains 22 plus number 2 contains 33. And now we can run our function and we will see 55. We put together these two variables. Okay, let's try to change variable number equals 20, and we can see that number has underline, red underline. That means, let's see, that means we must change our variable to var, and now it works. And why is working this way? Because type of variable val can't be changed. We can change variable with type val. We can change variable with type var, like var number equals 22, and now we can change this variable. But we can't change variable with type val. Number 2, and we see that it has a error. And now we will talk about strings. Let's create a new variable. Wait a second, I want to change to var, and we will create a new variable. That variable will be changeable, and it has name dog. It will be type string, and contains name of dog, Bobby. String must be in this bracket. And now our variable dog contains string Bobby. We can output this string. Let's call, and now we see Bobby in our console. Let's see what will happen when we try to put together string and number. And that's okay, it's working. We just add number to dog and we have Bobby 20. We also can add some space from these two variables, And now we can see we have space between these two variables. Okay, what happened if we create another string variable? Let's call this kitty, and we will try to put together them. And now we can see Bobby and Kitty. That's working well, so like write something like this. Bobby and Kitty. Okay. We can see that type of variable glows gray color. That means we can just delete this word and it also will works. Let's see. And it's working. In Kotlin we also have another types of variable. I wrote these types in here. We have double, this type for number with point. We have char, this type for chars. We have boolean, this type for true and false states. And yes, we also have long, this for big numbers, like very big numbers. And I forgot to say that in Kotlin we have static types of variables. That means we can't change type of variables in the next lines of code. For example, we can set to dog a number. Yeah, we have an error here because dog is string and we can't set to string a number. But we can call a function like toString. That function will create from our number a string and it will work